Well, the holy dip is underway at the Kumbh Mela 2019 on the occasion of the Purnima, the biggest religious congregation of the world. In fact, devotees and seers took a holy dip in the confluence of river Ganga, Yamuna and the mystical Saraswati. Meanwhile, Confederation of Indian Industry report has revealed that this year Kumbh Mela has brought a business of 1.2 lakh crore rupees for Uttar Pradesh government. We leave you with these colorful visuals of the Kumbh. Now let's tell you the story of an American national who turned into a Sadhvi 25 years ago. Once a graduate from Stanford University, Sadhvi Bhagwati Saraswati is now a renowned speaker. She's also promoting sanitation and hygiene at the Kumbh Mela. Take a look.
Hollywood to the holy land of Kumbh. Kumbh Mela this year witnessing the largest confluence of humanity. Spirituality in the divine presence of river Ganges is Sadhvi Bhagwati Saraswati.
The Mahakumbh is a crystallization of the greatness of India to me. Really that which is so extraordinary about India, coming together for enlightenment, for moksha, for spiritual connection. That is the real beauty and greatness of Indian culture, is that we know the essence of life is not about how much I can buy and attain and acquire and achieve, but the essence of life is how deeply can I be connected to the divine.
Originally an American national, Sadhvi Bhagwati came to India 25 years ago. That time, a graduate student from Stanford University in California, Sadhvi was known as Phoebe Gabriel. She soon fell in love with India's spirituality and settled in Rishikesh. Now a renowned speaker, Sadhvi Bhagwati Saraswati is promoting sanitation and hygiene in the Kumbh Mela, encouraging devotees to open up to defecation.
स्वच्छता रहनी चाहिए, गंगा जी में प्लास्टिक ये सब नहीं डालनी चाहिए और ये कहते हैं कि शरीर हमारा मंदिर है, उसे स्वच्छ बनाए रखना चाहिए, उसमें भगवान जी निवास करते हैं.
Blending knowledge and logic of the West with insights of the East, Sadhvi is now a spiritual bridge for both the cultures.
That's the essence of what sadhus, sadhvis, saints and seers are teaching, not only from India, but they have traveled across 7 oceans to teach truth, to teach the path of eternal joy and eternal peace. All this in the Mahakumbh. With video journalists Sanjay and Pankaj, this is Mosmi Singh in Prayagraj for India Today.
Well, Kumbh is the biggest congregation of the Hindus from across the world, but there is a Muslim man behind all the lights at the Kumbh, Mohammad Mahmood, who has been lighting up all the Kumbh Melas for the past 11 years, is serving as a brilliant example of religious harmony in our country. His shop is famously known as Mullah Ji Ki Dukaan, and he provides lights to various akhadas across the Kumbh. Take a look at this story.
Behind the shimmering and beautiful lights that decorate several akhadas at the Kumbh Mela is a hard-working team. A team led by Mahmood, a Muslim man who has literally lit up as many as 11 Kumbh Melas so far with his light show brimming with communal harmony. Mahmood hails from UP's Muzaffarnagar and runs a shop selling decorative lights in Kumbh, famously known as Mullah Ji Ki Dukaan.
As the evening sets in, the Kumbh is shimmering and glimmering with myriad lights. But behind that is a team of very hard-working men. Rashid, Salim, Sohail, all of them toil day and night to ensure that light reaches each and every tent and brightens the akhada.
He provides lights to various akhadas put up along the 45-kilometer stretch. Mahmood stands at his shop taking blessings from Hindu seers and devotees attending the Kumbh. When asked what he gets from a Hindu festival, Mahmood humbly points to the immense inner happiness.
कहाँ हुआ है?
4 हरिद्वार, 4 इलाहाबाद, 3 उज्जैन.
उज्जैन भी गए?
हाँ हाँ।
और आनंद आता है आपको, खुशी लगती है ये काम करने में?
खुशी से तो कर रहे हैं, जिस दिन दुख होगा तो उस दिन क्यों करेंगे, बोलो। भाई इनका प्यार ही तो है लोगों का।
और ऐसा कहें तो रोशनी आप लेके आते हैं कुंभ में?
हमारे कुछ नहीं, सब ऊपर वाले की देन है, हमारा क्या है, हम क्या कर सकते हैं, उसकी मर्जी ना तो एक पत्ता भी नहीं लगेगा।
Drowned in these bulbs and wires, they work hard to ensure and bring a smile to the saints and seers, and in fact maintain the glory of this majestic Kumbh. And that's what is the magic that is woven around this Kumbh Mela, a congregation which is truly mystical. With video journalists Sanjay Kumar and Pankaj, this Mosby Singh in Prayagraj for India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.